What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Connor Fairbrass and this is the Alpine Edition 2021 Ford F-150. So like I mentioned, this is a 21 F-150 XLT 302A or high package. Now this is a sport. This is an Oxford white, so the sport package is going to get you a couple different things. There would be different 20-inch or 18-inch wheels here, but up at the front, really for the sport, you're going to have a carbonized gray front grille. You're going to have color matched front bumper and back bumper, as well as carbonized gray running boards too. Now this one's special. This is the Alpine Edition. This is the stage 1. To really understand what an Alpine Edition F-150 is, we've got to look past the sheet metal. We've got to look at the bones. So this one is actually an Alpine Edition stage 1. Now what that means is basically it's a rims, tire, as well as a level kit package. It's a package that Kitchener Ford offers. We can install it here at the store. We do it in alignment with all the vehicles as well too. Now this one, stage 1, you're going to get a 2-inch zone lift. You can also get amp tires. Now, of course, when it gets into your tires and your rims, that's really up to you. With the Alpine Edition, what we like to do is we like to customize the vehicle. Our very own Adam Lewis created Alpine Edition, and on all the vehicles, he likes to touch each of them and make sure he contacts, at least gets a chance to talk with each owner of an Alpine Edition so he can kind of go through and really understand exactly what the customer wants and what their vision is for the truck. Now this one is a truck that we've done for the lot here. Now this truck here is a retail ready vehicle. This is not attached to a customer just yet. Like I mentioned up front, this is a stage 1 Alpine Edition. There's a couple different stages. There's stage 1, there's stage 2, and there are stage 3s, but we haven't had a chance to do one, which is a 6-inch lift. The stage 2 can be a 3, 3.5, or a 4-inch lift depending on the goals that you're looking for, especially depending on the tires. Now on the topic of tires and your wheels, now like I mentioned before, this is a 20x10 Fuel Blitz on a 33-inch tire or a 305/55 R20 wheel. Now, like I said, a squared setup, so let me grab you off the tripod and we'll show you kind of the dimensions here and how much wheel sticks out. At the back, it does look good. It's got a great stance. Now, especially with the tow mirrors, it looks really, really good. As you can see, quite a bit sticks out. If I kind of come right by the fender here, I'd say you probably have, 2 inches that stick out here. It looks really, really good. This is at the back. Now, we'll run up to the front here. And I'd say you're looking about the same, maybe inch and a half this time up in the front, but overall it looks really, really good. Thank you everyone who has made it this far. My name is Connor Fairbrass. If you enjoyed the video, please like, drop a comment, maybe a subscription as well. This has been the 2021 Ford F-150 with the Alpine Edition Stage 1 from Kitchener Ford.